How to create an email newsletter post on Beehiiv. In this video, I'll show you how to create an email newsletter post on Beehiiv. So, to get started, go ahead and open Beehiiv into your preferred browser and then sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and start by clicking on this post button at the left side of your screen, and that will take you into this section. So in here, click on the start writing button to start creating email newsletter posts. And then as you can see in here, you can go ahead and use a blank draft or use a template from the available templates on Beehiiv. So you can choose from here and then click on the templates you have chosen if you have selected a template. And then if you want to start with a blank draft, simply click on this blank draft. So once you're in this section, you can go ahead and customize your template. So in here, go ahead and compose your content, add a title, subtitle, and thumbnail image. Use Beehiiv's editor to insert text, images, buttons, dividers, and embeds. Organize your content into sections for better readability. So to edit out the text in here, go ahead and click on the text to where you want to place your own text. Customize fonts, colors, and spacing using the Design tab, and then preview your newsletter on desktop and mobile before publishing. So click on the Publish button at the top right of your screen, and in here, make sure to set this to email only. So make sure to uncheck this all free subscribers on their web audience. And then click on this Next button. And then in here, go ahead and provide your subject line along with your preview text. So these are actually very necessary parts of your email. And then click on the review button at the top right of your screen. Now, if you have already incorporated all of that, make sure to click on this publish or schedule button at the bottom right of your screen. So you can only publish your newsletter if you have actually set the subject line for your email. That is how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.